afternoon, guys. Welcome to our live trading session. Today we're trading NASDAQ UK 100 Gold. It's Friday, 19th of September, the last day of the week. As always, first things first, there's no major news that's gonna affect the market. We're checking our folders. We don't see anything red for the rest of the day. Let's jump on the chart. So we had one trade in the morning which was very slow and it continued very slow, so I'm happy that we actually went break even on it. So everything here is going to be deleted, even the orb. And let's see what we did. Basically we closed above and we went all the way down to a decent supply zone and we pushed one more time. So the only thing I see is this fair value gap, which we're gonna mark, and of course we're gonna mark the high and the low of London session. There we go. Now we can see that with gold we haven't taken anything. London, Asia, previous day high, previous day low, we haven't took anything. Hello traders. Hello. Thank you. Great push. Orb, fantastic job. DR, fantastic job. We took the Asian highs and we still keep going strong. So we're gonna mark this fair value. All-time high, previous day high, all of that is awaiting. Just above we're gonna mark, which I don't think and London highs, which I don't think this will be the London high. We're gonna move it a bit later. The last thing is FTSE. What we did on FTSE, nothing interesting. We break below, we went to the upper part now. No trade on the DR, no trade on this orb, no trade on the DR. London is also is a bit higher. Now the interesting thing here is that we took the previous day high, Asian low, and that's it. We have Asian highs, London highs, lows, and previous day high, previous day low. Let's see all of them one by one on the bigger time frame. So on gold, on 1 hour, we're in this fair value, which we need to decide, are we gonna break above or we're gonna get pushed down. Now breaking above is the more, for me, is the more logical thing, because we inverted on 4 hours. You see we made these lows and we inverted this fair value today, and we start changing the structure here. So I'm more bullish than bearish, but it cannot be confirmed until we don't take those highs here, close above the fair value gap, and then we're gonna be very bullish. Now it's still 50-50 on the bigger time frame. Let's move to NQ. NQ, the situation from the morning, we said we're in this 1 hour fair value gap and we were more bullish than bearish, and this is what actually happened. We stayed bullish and this fair value gap reacted beautifully as a support, and it pushed the price even higher, and the price is going very high to the all-time highs. On 4 hour we see again very strong 4 hour candle is closing in 30 minutes, very strong push. So our bias is bullish And hopefully we're going to look for buys. Let's see the smaller time frame. Ideally we want to see liquidity sweep from below and then keep going higher. But anyway, to be honest, if we see opportunity with Europe, it will be good buys. Either way, we're very close to previous day high, so we have to be careful. This is previous day high, weekly high, all-time high. There is no higher high than this, so we have to be very careful. And the last thing we're gonna look is FTSE. We are just inside on 1 hour in this. We'll see it's gonna be resistance or it's gonna turn out as support. For now it's a resistance in this area where the price, it's very important now to see if the price is gonna be pushed down or it's gonna be pushed above, and this will become our new level of support, so we can push the price up to those fair value gaps and those highs here. Because take a note, if we do it here on 1 hour, we're gonna have candle closure on 4 hour above those highs, and we can actually target this area here on 4 hour and the same on 1 hour. So it's not certain what is the idea for now, but for me we should push above and keep going higher. So I personally am more bullish, but if we see a rejection from this area, good idea for sales. At 9 o'clock we see this candle on 1 hour, it collects so much liquidity. It didn't went all the way down, but it did what we were talking about. It's gonna go and collect liquidity, this 1 hour candle from 10 o'clock, and after that it reversed and it keep going up. So this area is very important. It's 2:30, so the market open. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's turn off the DRs, and basically we're gonna watch the open and wait for the first orb to be formed and wait for a breakout. Ooh. Yeah. Oops, my mic is a bit far away again. Same mistake like yesterday. Hopefully you could hear me good.
Yesterday was...
Yeah, yesterday was good. Because I gave some sauce here, so hopefully hopefully you could hear me. Right, so this candle took London highs. London high is on the level of previous day high. That's something interesting on FTSE. So basically it's very important here to see if we're gonna take the Asian highs and we're gonna stay above so we can go long, or we're gonna take the highs, we're gonna stay below and we're gonna take shorts. This is the two options we have, and it's a good moment for price to decide, and we can jump either shorts or longs.
Yeah, key area.
Right now we are, because those Asian highs are exactly this inverted and this fair value gap. So once we take it, we're gonna see the reaction. Are we gonna be above or below? Hopefully we're not gonna stay inside the whole Friday, and then Monday we'll decide the move. This is option as well. This is option as well. So we have a couple of candles. Yeah, we'll see. We're waiting here. Nasdaq tap this fair value gap we had. Is it on 5 minutes? Yes, 5 minutes fair value gap. It haven't taken the highs of London. Still waiting. Gold very, very close to the London highs and Asia highs. So for now we can just wait and see how the market's gonna react. Okay, this is the last candle. Ooh, NQ is pushing down. Let's see this 5-minute candle. If it stays above this fair value gap, it's a good narrative. Okay, we can start marking those highs and lows, so we can see our tiny little orb. Orb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We have small orb here, small orb there, and small orb here. Now on the smaller time frame we have some SMT here with those lows, but we have big SMT on the top and big SMT on the bottom. But still, this is something we can see with the lows from 2 o'clock. Okay, S&P 500 is trying to break below. Now I can see how inverted this gap, and it's acting like a resistance now. gold break above, and it's aiming for the highs. Let's see silver. Silver don't have a breakout yet. Silver is still staying. We're staying here. DAX break above, while UK 100 hasn't. This is the small orb, I repeat. Okay, NQ break below. Gold is coming back. We need to think about that.
Mm.
Four more minutes and we're gonna have our main orb. This need to be a little bit lower, just a little bit, something like this, maybe. 3 more minutes and we're gonna have the orb. So gold break above and came all the way down. silver gave us indication that this may be a fake breakout, because now silver break below without breaking above. NQ break below, and now it's going to the upper part. S&P 500 have a little break below. It's going to the upper part as well. DAX break above and it's coming down, while FTSE, we can't count this as a candle breaking above, can't we? Yeah, we see a range at the moment. We see a range. Yeah, 2 more minutes. Let's wait for the orb. We can switch to 5 minutes now.
What would you say? How will you stack reacts the most of the time around? We know about the goal that
Same.
is doing new all-time high.
Yeah, same.
To be honest, I never tried.
I think it's the same logic. I'm pretty sure if you do a statistic that you're gonna see buying is more profitable than trying to get a reversal on otherwise.
Safe.
Or pullback buys, probably, you know, not just any buys. We have the 15-minute orb. Gold is staying inside Europe. NQ is staying inside. FTSE staying inside. Yeah, we still have this SMT actually.
Give us some first.
UK 100 is inside, DAX is inside, S&P is inside, NQ is inside. Ooh. That was big push. A spike. Taking out London highs. And closing above both. What do you think about or buy? We have very small SMT now from above as well. You can see on my screen both SMTs. We are between the hammer and the bang bang. I don't know how it's in English. I'm gonna check that actually, I wanna know. A-view.
Anvil.
Anvil. We are between the hammer and the anvil. Between the hammer and the anvil. There is a movie. Yeah. To be between the hammer and the anvil means to be in difficult situation or predicament, facing a choice between two unpleasant decisions or difficulty options. And there is a movie.
We almost took the time.
It seems like a very old movie. Show audio. From 90s. Between the hammer and the anvil. Okay, you learn something new every day. We still have SMT. We still have SMT. We took the previous day high, all-time high. Let's give it some time now. Let's see the reaction. Let's see if we're gonna take it on. Okay, gold went above as well. Let's give it some time. Now we have very big SMT because we are far away from those highs. You see, we took all-time high on NASDAQ, but S&P 500 is far away from them. Can you see it? So we have to be careful now. Okay, gold is breaking above by the look of it. Is silver breaking above? Yes, silver is breaking above. We don't have SMT between the orbs, which is good. They're with the same idea. Let's see if we're gonna take the highs, because we're very close. And if you ask me, on NASDAQ, a better option for trade, it will be S&P 500. Do you have it on your C Trader? It's US 500 on the FTMO.
Cash. My God.
Now on the smaller index, Dow Jones Now Dow Jones is with, I think, 30. Yeah. This is the smaller index with 30 companies. This is how it goes, Dow Jones. There is no breakout of the orb here. On the smallest one. So on S&P 500, we're gonna tap this fair value gap very soon that we make with the breakout candle. which is something interesting. Goat. Goat. Jack, come back. Yeah, goat is break even. So now we need to see how it's gonna react from this fair value gap. If we have a reaction, we can jump on it. There is 1 more minute. We need to see. Okay, gold has left fair value gap as well on the way. This fair value gap don't want to hold. Thirty more seconds. Okay. I think we can try this one. If we flip this candle, let's try on it, yeah? We have good potential trade here. We have candle closing above on both S&P and NQ. Now why we enter on NQ is because previous day high, it's right here. I haven't marked the area, sorry guys. This is the trade. So we have more than 1 hour just to previous day highs. We have SMT from below. We just made SMT from the top, which I think it gave us that back push, which is actually giving us the opportunity to buy on better price. So hopefully we're gonna keep up this strong momentum. We're gonna keep up this push. We don't want to see it going all the way down, so that's why our stop loss is all the way down. We have this SMT as well from the bottom. Hopefully it works in our favor. Now S&P 500 is NQ is keep on holding above the orb, which is good, and it's holding above this fair value gap, which is as well good. NQ is struggling, but I think if we manage to flip this one, we might see very good push right here. There is 1 more minute and something, so we need to flip it. Yeah, NQ start moving good. We just took the previous day high and we just made the SMT, so it's logical to see this stop of the momentum, but this as well, it makes a good opportunity for us to buy on US 500, where we're nowhere near the all-time high, and we can easily target this all-time high. This is the logic behind the trade. Let's see. If we close this candle like this, 25 more seconds, this will be beautiful. Let me put the exact numbers. 6647, 6647, 6647, 68. So 68. This is where the entry. Did we manage? Yeah, we closed green, which is very good. This is very good indication. Stop loss is 3779. 3770. I always try to be transparent as much as possible with my stop loss and take profits, because I know how annoying it is when somebody is claiming that they make 3R or 5R, but you enter with them and you are at 1R and like, what you talking about? Yeah, and it's good that our break even is at the first highs here. Oh, I'm on the other screen, sorry. On this highs here, it's our break even. So we should be alright getting there if we stop this down move. Okay. This is break even right here. Okay. NQ is holding up above this gap, and basically that's it. We are just waiting. Shift F, and we have a, there we go. That's beautiful. I think I need to make this a bit bigger, and maybe my screen a bit smaller.
Just black.
Yeah. On my screen.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm not sure if the quality is at maximum. should be. Yeah. I don't know. F it. F it. Hi homie, can I share your streaming income to help you have followers and viewers also earn from streams? Let's chat, add me on Discord. My Discord name is blah blah blah. I don't need random people, mate. Thank you. Appreciate. Gold came back to this fair value gap we talked about actually, and just tapped. Yeah. How are you doing, bro? Good, thank you. Did you manage to get in this trade, which is not going good now? Yeah, all of them are falling down, and we don't want to see that. This one candle. This one candle made our lives not very good. But come on. No, Shift F. Yes, Shift F. You make your trading view screen big. Shift plus F. Come on. My entry is on the candle close 15-minute orb. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. It's a bit higher than us, but I think you have the same stop loss. Probably the same.
Same boat.
We're all in the same boat, that's it. No, the idea is good.
The idea is pretty good.
The idea is good. Hello, brother, how are you? Hiya, mate. Yeah, we're in this trade where I think there is a big potential, but it's going slow on NQ. How are you, GK Trading Blueprint? GK? What does it stand for, GK? My trade is running is USD GPY. You love this USD GPY. You mentioned it for a second time now. USD GPY short. Yeah, there is a good short here. Yeah, you're shorting again. Last time you said the same. A bit retracement, and let's go down again. Yeah, we bought some S&P. Okay, we need to invert this gap. to invert this gap as well. Let me see. 146. Where is your entry? Ooh, 146. That should be a big trade. You're aiming for those lows here. Ooh, that's a very big move. I would be happy if the price gets here. How many are you targeting? If you enter here, is it a swing one? 148, 148, 336. Oh, you're good. And where is your stop loss? This is a swing trade, my friend. This is a swing trade. One 146.45. 445. Okay, yeah, this is a good area. Your stop loss to be protected. Oof. Let's see the 4 hours. Yeah, the trade looks good, to be honest. Yeah, to have good return ratio, your stop loss should be somewhere here. Even here, it's 2 point something. 148. 148.450. You're very tight, mate. You're very tight. At the moment, you're running at plus 4R. You're golden.
You are trading community? They are trading community?
Cheeky trading blueprint.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I have no idea. But I don't know when he entered, because this couldn't be today, it seems. The price haven't been there today. Probably I'm seeing the wrong chart, I don't know, because 8th of September is when the price was at this point. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. You have a couple of good 15 minutes, a little bit of consolidation, and then another push. Let's go back on this trade, which is going very slow. Yeah, this morning we had the same. I'm thinking about we might kill this trade.
Yeah, if it's going good, I don't mind if it's going slow.
Let's see on NQ how this fair value gap is gonna react. This is a major turning point for us. It doesn't hold very good. Okay, FTSE is coming back. Oh. Gold.
Break even.
Gold hit break even. I still believe in this trade. Still believe in this trade. Now, very important. What this candle gonna? Oh, not this one. This. Oof. But on the other hand, Dow Jones is doing good. Dow Jones, it makes 3 green candles. Just NQ and S&P are falling. We're still in the game, so happy days. I'm positive we'll come back as well. I think at least we'll come back to the price, even to the break even. Pretty positive we can come back to the break even. We're going down, guys. Slowly but surely we're going down. I need a miracle. Dow Jones is doing good. Come on. Okay, let's recover this shit. Let's recover this shit. It's on the main road, yeah. Sebi, I think, yeah.
Open 5 p.m.
Really? It's not even open now. Oh. Okay, we're flipping this candle. We're flipping this candle. I found it. 4 point. Yeah, 4.8 stars. Delivery. Oh yeah, but they have takeaway, don't they? Yeah.
What do you think what this disclaimer means?
Where you saw it?
That all hot food is cooked in the same oven.
God knows. Oh, they just upload 2 photos of the. Can you zoom? Yeah, at least you can zoom.
No pictures that you
What does it mean, white? This is wines, I think. Yeah. Rosé. This is okay. The first picture then. Okay, we're not looking bad. Do they have a website? They don't have a website? Great place, great food, stuff, go above and beyond. They don't have website?
No.
No. And this is the only way you can read the menu. Yeah. But I'm wondering, can you order it, or you have to go there, make an order, collect it? You know?
You can order. At least you can order to the phone if you.
But if you don't turn up taking the food? Yeah, I think we're gonna ask
That
around 5-6. When they open?
5.
So we're gonna call them around 5:36. We're gonna ask them. Well, we're gonna order for 7, 8, something like this, yeah? Come on. Come on. NQ is recovering very good. S&P we're a little bit behind. Dow Jones, it was looking good. Gold, wow. Another big green. Beautiful. UK 100. DAX haven't closed anywhere.
Mine in UK is 30 minutes lower. It's showing me a link in the post.
But it's moving. I need to see why. I have no idea. Oh yeah, you see? Maybe because you don't have the paid version. You see this D? Go there. Data is delayed. UK data is delayed by 15 because of exchange requirement to get real data for the group index. Please buy the real-time data package. Maybe because you don't have.
The version.
Okay, gold made very good recovery, and now it's aiming for previous day highs. What do you think about this buy on gold? We went down, we managed to recover, we made change of character. If we retest any of those fair value gaps with stop loss not under the orb, under the previous lows.
XAUUSD.
Let's see how all of them look at 1 hour. Yeah, we're just going to this big demand zone here. NQ. S&P probably. Come on, man. You can push it. Flip this candle. Flip this candle. This is very annoying price action. How does it look like on 5 minutes? Ugly. I don't think gold will come back for this entry. Very ugly candle for NQ. We look like gunners if we read the candles.
Can we not have it?
No, we're not gonna read them. We pretend they're not there.
It's half past one.
Yeah, the DR
Yeah.
DR window. Yeah, DR window is here.
Chance.
What do you think, guys? And the one who are in this trade? I still believe we will get those highs here. I still believe. And I think the next problem will be those highs here. But up to these highs, we made one good candle and then everything goes. I'm holding. Yeah, of course we're holding. It's just painful. Like this morning trade we had on gold. It's just painful to watch. This is what I'm talking about. We made a good push, then massive black candle bring us all the way back down, and now we made a good push again. Like, I'm not complaining we make a good push, but by the look of it, there's gonna be another candle down, and this will continue for quite some time. Twice we entered during the accumulation phase. But still, I have high hopes for this trade.
Yeah, this candle close with bigger money.
Come on. Come on, don't go down. Just don't go down. Just hold. Hold. This is what I'm talking about. Why you will go all the way down now? Come on. Gold is 4 hours order block. Look for any confirmation for sale. Let me see. No, on 4 hours it's not in order block. On 1 hour it's coming. This is the order block here on 1 hour. On 4 hour, no, not really. The order block for 1 hour for sales is this one here. You said gold? Yeah, gold. You don't have any order blocks here on 4 hours. If you're looking for order blocks, you need to get a price leg. This is a price leg. Those highs to those lows. This is one price leg. Now from those lows to these highs is another price leg. So you need to get those price legs. You need to see the last move before this downtrend. You can take the last opposite candle, which is the green one, but in this case it will be a bit bigger, the area. So if you have a smaller candle that is making new high, even with different color, you're gonna take this candle and this will be your order block. It's the same with this move, price leg to price leg. You see the last move, boom, there we go. This is how you see determined order blocks. But you're right that on 1 hour, you're not right for the 4 hours, but on 1 hour is coming to this area where potentially you can look for sales. But I would expect to make a good push, and if it leaves weak like this, if it leaves weak here, this is a good confirmation if we start going down and you see a structure for shorts. This is what I'm talking about. Look at it. I hate stopping trades on a loss, but this one is just on my nerves. My broker is Wanda and it shows the order block. I don't know. We use, I don't know if it's Wanda, they're using the future data or not, Maybe it's a bit different. I don't know. We're using the CFD data. This is CFD charts. This one, and obviously FTMO is CFD. Contract for differences. So we're trading CFD. I don't know Wanda. I don't know as a broker anything about them, to be honest. I don't understand why somebody will be with different broker than IC markets. They're just the best in the game. Maybe you don't have them in your country. I don't know. If you're talking about personal account. Oh, look at that. Killing me softly. And gold came back. Yeah, it came back. It tapped this area. I'll be looking for buys on gold. I wouldn't be looking for shorts right now. I'll be looking for buys. We're very close to all-time high again on gold. And here we change the structure with this price leg that we started now. Especially if we manage to close above, it's clearly buys. If we don't manage and we get pushed back, then yeah. One green, one red, one black. One red, one green, one black. On a 5 minutes. How is the rest? How are the rest doing? We have not so bad, I guess. NQ, huge range. But it's looking like a downtrend on 5 minutes. We're not looking very bright here. In this state of accumulation, anything can happen. Up to the point where if you take us out, just take us out and that's it. Stop messing around. Now we're gonna take those lows and maybe something will happen. Just maybe. Now we take the lows. If we follow the same logic, black, green, black, green. Yeah, I had good feeling about this trade. Right, this SMT from below. Yes, we made SMT on the top, but this was our idea. This was our idea that we will manage to destroy this SMT with this buy here, and we're gonna aim for those highs on S&P 500 because we're in a uptrend, as we can see here. And not only on 5 minutes, on 1 hour, on daily, whatever. We're in this uptrend here. So it's logical just to target those highs. No, I'm not gonna be surprised if it just weakens out and then start the move. We're gonna make SMT from below, yeah. We're gonna make SMT from below. That's correct. We're gonna make SMT with those lows here. Obviously something is stopping the price there. Right guys, if you have any questions, now is the time, because I've been live more than 1 hour. And I'll keep you updated on X, what happened with this trade. But by the look of it, we should be taken out. We should be taken out. It was a good buy. Oh, and as well we had the orb closure on top on both. It had good orb. But that's it. Yeah, take us out with opening candle. Very interesting. With opening up. We had this good change of character as well. We managed to invert this fair value gap. It acted as a resistance for a very long time. Now it will be bad if the real entry was here. This will be bad on Nasdaq because Nasdaq is still in play. But this is how we end our Friday. On the FTMO challenge, we should be with 0.50% down. So it's nothing scary. We started good this week, but we're finishing with 1% down because I think we had this trade on Nasdaq as well with the slippage where it was very good trade. I think this trade was very good. And yeah, basically that's that, guys. I don't see any questions. Gonna see you whenever I see you. Have a nice weekend. Peace, love. See you next time.